How to change export settings for YouTube. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to export it for YouTube. Right-click in your sequence and project panel and select Export Media. In the Export Settings window, set the format to H.264, then set the preset to match source high bitrate. Now click on this button to set the save location. Make sure both Export Video and Export Audio is checked. Then go to Video tab and scroll down. Under Bitrate Settings, set encoding to VBR2 pass. If you want a higher quality which results in higher file size, increase target bitrate. And if you want a lower quality which results in lower file size, decrease target bitrate. I set target bitrate to 10 for this project. Also, make sure use maximum render quality is checked. In the Audio tab, make sure audio codec is set to AAC and the rate is set to 48,000 Hz. Then click Export. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.